Hello and welcome to Caravan Escapades. Hope everybody's keeping safe and well. Well, this is a vlog that I should have done several weeks ago, certainly at the end of February, and I do apologise for not doing that. But this is the one for all those that want to win the prize that helps them out with those stiff ones. You know what I'm talking about, is that stiff magnet on the Swift door. Now, we did a vlog early part of February where we showed you about the new discs, and I'll put a link to that vlog below. The discs that I've created just to help relieve that stiffness that you might be finding when you're pulling on your Swift door. Anyway, few of you entered, and I gave you all the opportunity to win 2 discs, and all you had to do was basically make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the vlog, and comment saying I want a disc. So lots of you entered, lots of you had a go. It is time now to spin that wheel and find out who has won those discs. Let's do it. So here we go, we're spinning away, and the winner of the 2 discs is Debbie Woods 7477. That's Debbie Woods 7477. Congratulations, Debbie. What I'll do is I will send you a message or comment on your post that you put on there, and get you to message me or email me with your address details, and what I'll do is I'll get those 2 discs to you in the post this week. So thank you very much, everybody. That was literally the draw for the discs that will help sort your stiff problem out, or your stiffness problems out. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed that. We shall see you very, very soon.